In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can install brushes without exiting Photopea. Click on Account and log in to your Photopea account. Click on Templates and navigate to Brush. Search for Alicante Design Atelier and hit Enter. Then browse through the brush sets and install your favorite sets. Now I'll show you how you can upload your own brushes to Photopea's resource library. Navigate to Brush and click Add Brush, then give yourself a creator name and click New, then add your brush. Start by typing in the name of your brush set. Below that, write a short description and add a thumbnail image, and once you are finished, hit Save to publish the brush set. Thanks for watching! I hope this video was helpful to you. See you in the next video.